This video is about 7 financial mistakes you should avoid as a newlywed couple. Assalamu alaikum, this is Fariha from the Cash Memo. Here is a list of 7 mistakes you should avoid as a newlywed couple. First, planning a wedding or honeymoon on credit. पाकिस्तान में बहुत कॉमन है कि हम शादी के लिए लोन ले लेते हैं, बहन भाइयों से दोस्तों से पैसे ले लेते हैं टू हैव दैट लेविश वेडिंग. आई थिंक वी शुड अवॉइड दैट लोन और जितनी हमारी चादर है उतने ही पाँव फैलाएं, उसी तरह प्लान करें, तो दैट्स the right way to do it. Second mistake you should avoid is planning too much on a wedding events. We all have those imaginations of dancing or friends or family on mehndi function or wedding day, but we need to stick to the budget we have. We need to stick to the planning we have done, that how much money we would spend on our wedding. So stick to that budget and don't overspend on your wedding events because of your imaginations or following your peers, that your friend have that kind of a wedding, so you want to follow that. So avoid that peer pressure as well and avoid that imagination and stick to your budget. Be realistic about your budget. Third financial mistake you should avoid is not working as a team. You are getting married or you have been married, so you should work toward finances as a couple. So if you're not working as a team and working individually to meet your financial expenses or needs, it can lead to sometimes conflict as well and not achieving that effectiveness in your financial goals and in your married life. So for better married life and to meet those issues together, you need to work as a team on many matters. Fourth mistake you should avoid is hiding from each other. Let's say I wanted to buy a jewelry which is quite expensive and I know that my partner would not encourage me to buy that. And if I would hide that thing from my partner, it's not a good thing for a couple to do as a newlywed. It would create conflict, it would create financial debt. So you should not hide from each other, even if you know that other person would discourage or bring the rational feedback for that buying decision. As a newlywed couple, we want to buy a lot of things. So fifth mistake you should avoid is buying extra clothes, buying extra fancy clothes or spending on interior too much. You're not gonna wear those fancy and formal clothes later, even not in your office. So you should be very considerate when you're buying those clothes or when you're spending on interior, that what's practical and what's just fancy or look lavish. Sixth mistake you should avoid is spending or committing without discussing your partner. Let's say you want to buy something or you have to pay some debt, or even if you want to help someone. If you are committing to that financial decision without consulting to your partner, it's not a wise decision to do as a newlywed couple. So avoid that mistake of committing or spending money without consulting your partner. It's not kind of a dependency, it's just consulting and taking another opinion and working as a team toward combined financial goals. As we discussed that having a budget is very important for newlywed couple. But us wedding excitement and tiredness में most of the time we all are talking about having a budget, developing a budget, but we miss it. So don't do this mistake. Always develop the budget and stick to the budget. These are 7 mistakes you should avoid as a newlywed couple, and I believe if you would avoid these mistakes, you would be better on your finances as a newlywed couple and as a partner. Wedding is kind of a partnership in which you are planning your future together. If any of you have more advices on avoiding such mistakes, please share in comment section. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.